Good afternoon everybody. Welcome again to the Multiphysics series. In this video, we will see how we can use various Boolean operations in COMSOL Multiphysics 6.1. So starting straight away, let's say we have one rectangle and one circle for a while. Both are overlapped because we want to perform Boolean operations on them. First, let's check which Boolean operations COMSOL allows us to do. Click right on geometries, then choose booleans and partitions, and here are the options. We have four kind of boolean operations: union, intersection, difference and compose. Here these icons helps to understand these operations more easily. You can see they have shown which kind of operation particular operator is doing. First is union. It is used to create the union of selected objects. Next is intersection. It helps to create the intersection of the selected object. And then is the difference. It is useful to create the difference in the objects. And the last one is compose, which creates composition of geometries. So let's see them one by one. First is union. To make the union of these geometries, we will select them first. So rectangle and then circle. So we can see the selection in this box. Now if you want the interior boundaries, these boundaries in overlapping, you can keep the stick as it is, but if you don't want, then you can remove the stick. So for a while we are removing it, and here build selected. So here the operation is done. To see the next operation, let's disable this option union. Click right and then disable. So it's done. Click right on geometries, then booleans and partitions, and then intersection. So this operation will keep the intersection part as it is and will remove the remaining part. So to do this operation, select rectangle and this circle. So build selected. So here we have the intersected part only. Now to see the third operation, let's disable this intersection. Disable. So now we have the objects as it is. The third operation is difference. This operation will keep the difference of the geometries only. So here we will enable this box and first select the first object. For example, we are selecting the rectangle. Then to subtract from the rectangle, we will enable this box, and here we will select the circle. So here you can see we have both selection. We want to subtract the rectangle from the circle and then build selected. So here we have the difference between rectangle and the circle. The fourth option is very much interesting. So click right on geometry, boolean and partitions, and then compose. So this boolean operation allows us to perform any operation on geometries that we can perform in boolean algebra. So it is in form of the equation. For example, we want to add these two geometries. So we will set the formula like R1 plus C1. And here we will remove this tick mark because it will help us to understand easily. Here you can see that both components are added together. So that's all about the Boolean operations in COMSOL Multiphysics. We'll see you in the next lecture. Till then, have a good time.